Last month, someone used ChatGPT to create 50 SEO blog posts in a single weekend, sold them on Gumroad, and made $3,800 in passive income. The wildest part? They spent $0 on tools. I've been testing AI tools for 18 months, and I just ranked the 7 that actually generate consistent money. Some of them will surprise you, and one of them doesn't cost a penny. Here's exactly what you're walking away with today: the top 7 AI tools ranked by real monthly earnings potential, the specific 3-step setup I use for each one, realistic income ranges based on actual users, not hype, and the one critical mistake that stops 90% of people from making money with these tools. I've tested everything from ChatGPT to Midjourney to ElevenLabs, and I'm showing you the exact ranking. Stick around because the number 1 tool is the one nobody expects. Let's start at number 7, Runway AI for video creation. Runway generates videos from text prompts, takes about 2 minutes per video. The earnings model is TikTok Shop affiliate commissions, YouTube ad revenue, or selling video packs on Gumroad. Realistic monthly range, $200 to $1,200. Here's the 3-step setup. Step 1. Create a TikTok channel focused on one niche, let's say quick productivity hacks. Step 2. Use Runway to generate short 15 to 30-second videos, add trending audio in CapCut, and upload daily. Step 3. Add Gumroad links in your bio to sell video templates for $5 to $15 each. The mistake most people make? They assume the AI tool does all the work. No, Runway generates content, but you have to market it. Without a distribution strategy, you make nothing. But here's what's interesting: the next tool has way lower friction and almost no competition. Number 6 is Midjourney, and here's why it's lower on the list even though people make real money with it. Midjourney generates AI images. The upside: each image takes 60 seconds, and you can sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or as digital products. Monthly range, $300 to $2,500 for serious users. 3-step process. Step 1, pay the $10 per month subscription, then join Discord and start generating. Step 2, create 100 unique AI art pieces in a specific style, let's say cinematic sci-fi landscapes. Step 3, upload them to Etsy with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions, then run ads. Income comes from print-on-demand royalties or direct sales. The fatal mistake? Creating generic AI art. Nobody buys a sunset anymore. You need a specific aesthetic, a niche, consistent branding. Also, Etsy is saturated. You have to run ads or you won't move inventory. Midjourney works, but it requires both creativity and ad spend up front. The next method? Completely different approach. Number 5, Claude for content creation and prompt engineering. Here's why this matters: Claude is deeper and more nuanced than ChatGPT for longer form work. I'm talking blog posts, sales pages, email sequences. The income model is simple: use Claude to generate content, sell it on Gumroad, Teachable, or deliver as a freelance service on Fiverr. Monthly range, $400 to $3,000. 3-step method. Step 1, master Claude by feeding it detailed briefs. Here's the exact prompt I use: write a 2,000-word blog post on topic that ranks for keyword, includes specific stats, and has this structure: intro hook, 3 subheadings, real examples, conclusion. Tone, expert but conversational. Step 2, use that output to create a product, let's say a done-for-you email sequence template for SaaS founders. Step 3, price it $25 to $50 and sell on Gumroad or offer services on Fiverr at $75 to $150 per hour. The mistake? Not adding value on top of AI output. Claude writes decent copy, but your job is to fact-check it, customize it, and make it 10x better. That's what commands premium prices. But I want to show you something even more profitable. Number 4 is ElevenLabs, and this is where a lot of people sleep. ElevenLabs generates realistic AI voices. The genius move? Use it to create audiobooks, podcast intros, YouTube narration, or voiceover packs. Monthly range, $600 to $2,800. 3-step setup. Step 1, subscribe to ElevenLabs, $11 per month, and create 5 to 10 custom voice clones in different styles. Step 2, partner with Amazon KDP to create done-for-you audiobooks. You take public domain books, generate the audiobook with ElevenLabs, and sell on Audible and other platforms. Royalties are around 20 to 40% per sale. Step 3. Scale by creating templates and selling voice packs directly. Charge creators $15 to $30 for a custom voice they can use commercially. The mistake people make? Low-quality voice selection and bad audio editing. The Raw 11 Labs output needs slight audio cleanup in Audacity or Adobe Audition, otherwise it sounds cheap. Also, don't just upload randomly. Audible has curation and reviews matter. But honestly, the next two tools eclipse everything we've talked about so far. We're halfway through, and the next two methods are the ones I wish I'd known about earlier. Don't skip these because method 3 is the one that's actually scaling right now in 2024. Number 3 is ChatGPT for creating digital products and courses. This is a serious income generator. Monthly range, $1,200 to $6,000 plus. Here's why: one digital course or product can generate recurring passive income for months. 3-step process. Step 1, pick a high-income skill you can teach, let's say freelance copywriting. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a 10-module course outline on copywriting for SaaS companies. Include learning objectives, assignments, real-world examples, and copy templates I can use immediately. Step 2, use ChatGPT to draft all course materials, module scripts, worksheets, sales page copy. It takes roughly 40 hours of your time, not 200. Step 3, package it on Teachable or Kajabi, price it $47 to $197, and drive traffic through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or paid ads. Income accelerates after month 2 or 3. Here's the numbers: sell 30 courses at $97 equals $2,910 per month. Sell 50 equals $4,850 per month. I know creators making $8,000 plus monthly with one well-marketed course. The fatal mistake? Creating a course without first validating that people want it. Also, ChatGPT-only content feels generic. You have to add personal stories, real case studies, and your unique method. But the number 1 tool blows all of these away. Number 2, ChatGPT for freelance services on Fiverr and Upwork. This might sound boring, but it's the most consistent income generator in the list because there's immediate, proven demand. Monthly range, $2,000 to $8,000 plus. Here's the strategy: position yourself as a specialized freelancer, not "I use ChatGPT, but I'm a growth strategist who uses AI to deliver 10x faster." 3-step process. Step 1, create a Fiverr profile offering custom landing page copy or email campaign strategy for e-commerce brands. Your gig description: I'll create a 7-email sales sequence that converts using proven frameworks. Delivered in 3 days. Step 2, on day 1 of a client request, use ChatGPT with this exact prompt. Write a 7-email sequence for a product type, business targeting, customer type. Use IDA framework. Include subject lines, body copy, CTA. Make it convert. Reference these stats, add 3 to 4 real conversion stats from your industry. Step 3, edit the output for quality, add client-specific details, personalization, and your expertise. Charge $150 to $500 per project. With 10 to 15 clients per month, you're easily at $2,000 to $3,000. The mistake? Charging too low. Don't sell ChatGPT access, sell your expertise and speed. Also, quality control matters. Every deliverable has to be polished. But there is one tool that beats everything, and it's because it combines high demand, low competition, and serious payouts. And here's number 1, ChatGPT API plus custom AI tools and automation. This is the income ceiling for AI right now. Monthly range, $3,000 to $15,000 plus. Here's why it's the winner: you're not selling your time or content, you're building systems that make money while you sleep. 3-step process. Step 1, learn to use the ChatGPT API with no-code platforms like Make.com or Zapier. Example, set up an automated system that takes customer emails, uses ChatGPT to generate personalized responses, and sends them back all hands off. Step 2, bundle these automations into productized services. Offer automated customer email management at $500 per month to e-commerce brands. Build 10 to 15 of these and you're at $5,000 to $7,500 passive revenue. Step 3, scale by creating AI tools people pay for directly, like a tool that summarizes customer feedback using ChatGPT, or auto-generates social media captions. Use Gumroad or your own SaaS platform and charge $29 to $99 per month. The income is genuinely passive here because the tools run 24/7. I know someone making $12,000 per month from 3 automated tools. The biggest mistake? Technical overwhelm. You don't need to code, make in Zapier or Visual. Start simple, pick one problem you can automate, build it, test it, then scale. Also, most people underestimate what their tool is worth, charge confidently. Here's the real ranking recapped fast. Number 1 is ChatGPT API automation because it's the only truly passive, scalable method. Number 2 is Fiverr freelancing, consistent, immediate income, proven demand. Number 3 is digital courses, high upside once you nail it. Pick one this week. If you're starting from zero, start with number 2 Fiverr because you can make your first $200 within 7 days. If you have some savings and patience, build toward number 1. The path is clear: start freelance, learn what clients want, then systematize it into automation. Here's my challenge: comment right now which method you're going to start this week: Fiverr gigs, building a course, or automating with Make.com. I read every comment and I might feature yours. And if you're serious about building AI income, hit subscribe. I drop a new proven AI money method every single week.